And this morning we're focusing on Jamaican food. The Jamaican Patty Company is one of a few Caribbean restaurants that we've seen open up recently in the capital. Seems to be a bit of a trend, and we went to have a look at what all the fuss is about.
I'm Theresa Roberts. I'm owner of the Jamaica Patty Co. Yeah, I was born in Jamaica. I'm Jamaican. The Jamaica Patty Co is a restaurant that sells Jamaica patties in all different flavors. My experience of food growing up is my grandmother was left in Jamaica by my parents, living with my grandmother, and we had the best food in the world, I'm sorry, is Jamaican rice and peas and chicken. My Sunday dinner, I love that. And patty is a product in Jamaica that everybody eats any time of the day. So it's something that whenever I go to Jamaica, I could live on patties. The Jamaican community themselves has been so supportive, and the African and Caribbean community, and they love the patties. So I'm really feeling pleased with the product at the moment, so I'm really happy. Inside you can see the chicken, and the spices would be Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion, that's what you will see, and a fantastic crust. Come in and try our patties, you won't be disappointed.
Enjoy.